So apparently, Huawei may be looking into its own electric vehicle. And I know you remember I was talking about how they're getting to the pig farming, AI related to pig farming. And, you know, they're just looking all over the place right now. Now, this report, I believe their response is no, we're not. But there's insiders, those with knowledge that are indicating that Huawei has some plans as far as electric vehicles are concerned. This report coming via Reuters. China's Huawei plans to make electric vehicles under its own brand and could launch some models this year, 4 sources said, as the world's largest telecommunications equipment maker has been battered by U.S. sanctions and is exploring a strategic shift. Now, you know the EV market in China is bananas. Mm-hmm. Everybody's trying to get a piece. It's a lot of cars that need to be sold. Never mind EVs; they might as well be EVs. Mm-hmm. People are buying cars over there. Huawei Technologies is in talks with state-owned Chang'an Automobile and other automakers to use their car plants to make its electric vehicles, according to 2 people familiar with the matter. There it is, familiar with the matter. So the spokesperson from Huawei has to come out and say, absolutely false. Mm-hmm. There is no truth to this speculation. And then Reuters has to say 2 people with knowledge of the matter. And that's how it works. That's how you do this thing, Will. Yeah. Just letting you know. Apparently, Huawei's also in discussions with Beijing-backed BAIC Group, Blue Park New Energy Technology, to manufacture its EVs. Now, it could be that it's a collaboration type thing. We previously talked about Huawei testing self-driving autonomous tech, AI tech, smart roads. So we don't necessarily know if you see an EV with a Huawei badge on it or if it's a Huawei powered from one of the other, like you don't know what these, but the indication here seems to be that you would see an actual Huawei car. Now, this is probably only meaningful to those in China because I believe they would run into the same complications attempting to export such a thing under that brand name. So we'll have to wait and see. But it is this continual merging of the automotive and the tech sector, and they really are becoming one. Mm-hmm. We talked about the Apple car, which you're well aware of. We talked about other EV makers getting into autonomous or making big commitments to shift to EV. We talked about Google and Ford's new partnership, and we talked about Huawei possibly launch. So now it's like, wow, the Samsung car, what is happening? Mm-hmm. What are the limitations? Time will tell.